Hi, and thanks for taking the time to learn this TePe tip to make your toothbrushing more effective. My name is Michelle Strange, and I'm a registered dental hygienist for TePe USA. You have heard that you need to brush your teeth every day, but toothbrushing looks different for every single person, and we all need a little coaching to ensure we are being effective with our toothbrushing technique. Here is today's tip. The goal with brushing is to feel the brush bristles sweep along the gum line of each tooth. Aim to angle your toothbrush at about 45 degrees so the bristles sweep along the gum line and then slowly move it around your mouth. This type of technique may be different than the circular or sweeping motion you learned when you were young. Focusing on where the tooth meets the gums versus just the tops of the teeth will help to remove that harmful bacteria that causes dental disease. Paying more attention to where your toothbrush is and if it's touching the gum line will be a huge part of a good brushing routine. Give this trick a try and see if it makes a difference in the health of your teeth and gums. Everyone's going to need to brush a little differently, depending on their own oral health needs. Finding what works for you may take some time, but I think this TePe tip is a great start to a better brushing technique.